I have this model I have just created on Blender. So I'm going to use this one for jump pad. So I'm going to create a new blueprint class actor. Let's rename this to jump pad. Open this blueprint. Now I'm going to get this static measure, and then I'm going to add a sphere collision, maybe 64, I think. Let's make it 100. No, let's set this to 80. So this is our sphere collision. So I'm going to get on component being overlap. Is it third person character? Then we have to do just simply type launch character. That's all you have to do. Now on launch velocity, I'm going to add 1000 on G. I'm going to drag this blueprint in our level. Now let's try. Okay. Okay, let's set this to 1000. Yeah, now here I can see we can jump on 1000 velocity on G axis. Okay, so also you can override G. Also, if you want, you can add value on X and Y also. Also, you can override XY. So I'm not going to do that. So that's all I'm going to do. Also, if you have any music, you can add play sound. Right here you can add any sound.